If you own an Arcimoto FUV, you already know it's one of the most fun vehicles ever built. But let's be honest, fun gets even better when it's dialed in exactly the way you want it. That's where Brad comes in. Brad is a specialist in Arcimoto performance mods, comfort upgrades, repairs, diagnostics, and full battery and electrical work, done by someone who actually know these machines. No guessing, no learning on your dime. Want a custom-built FUV? Looking for a turnkey, ready-to-drive setup? Need help keeping your current ride running like new? He has you covered, from subtle upgrades to full custom builds, and even used Arcimoto FUVs ready for their next adventure. This isn't a general repair shop. This is Arcimoto-focused, owner-driven expertise that even can travel to you in certain regions. If you love your FUV and want to make it better, or you're ready for your next one, head to FUVmods.com and see what's possible. Because fun vehicles deserve serious care and a little extra fun.